Now turn your page, and our next topic is size of India. India is the second largest country in the world in terms of population. Means India second largest country है. When we compare among all the countries in the world, India stands in second position in terms of, in the view of population. अगर अपन population को consider करें, then India will stand in second position. Now, what is the meaning of population? Population means the number of people who lives in our country. मतलब the number of people who resides in a country. एक country में कितने लोग रहते हैं, इसी को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Population. And the seventh largest in terms of area. अगर area के हिसाब से आप देखो तो India stands in seventh position. Okay, in terms of population it is second, and in terms of area मतलब how much it is extended, कितना space लेता है, उस हिसाब से सोचो तो it will stand in seventh position. Okay, now India measures approximately मतलब nearly, लगभग 2933 kilometers from east to west and 3214 kilometers from north to south. Okay children, now move to page number 9. See here, if you look at the map of India, see this is the map of India, and always see this is the north direction, and down it is south direction, here it is east, and this is west. Okay, this is the map of our country, and these are the four directions. Okay, now if we measure the area, अगर हम नॉर्थ से साउथ तक ये कितना किलोमीटर्स एक्सटेंड हुई है, if we measure this we get 3214 kilometers from north to south, and when we measure it from east से लेके west तक अगर किया तो we'll get 2933 kilometers approximately. Nearly India covers this much of distance. Okay, the coastal boundary of India is 7517 kilometers long. So what do you mean by coastal area? Means the area along the seaside, sea, oceans, ये सब जहाँ रहते हैं उधर की एरिया में. and boundary means border. अगर हम coastal boundary को measure करें then it will be 7517 kilometers long. It is 7517 kilometers long. So coastal boundary means the line that forms the boundary between the land and the ocean. The line that forms between the boundary between the land and the ocean. ओशन की और लैंड के बीच में जो लाइन फॉर्म करता है उसी को हम कोस्टल बाउंड्री बोलेंगे. सो इट इज़ 7005 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग, kilometers long, and this includes the coastal length of the islands as well. We know that India has two main islands, and so इसी length में हमारा islands का भी coastal boundary included है, मतलब वो भी इसी में है. Is it okay? Now we came to know about the size of India, what it measures from north to south, east to west, and what about the coastal boundary of our country. Now let us move to the next topic. India, a peninsular country. India is which type of country? It is a peninsular. What do you mean by peninsula, and why we call it as peninsular country? Let us see. Again, move to page number 9. If you look at the map of India given on this page, you will find that, see which portion it is the southern part of our country, and it is bounded means it is surrounded by 3 water bodies. इसमें हमको 3 water bodies, see the blue color itself indicates the presence of water. Okay, and it is surrounded by 3 water bodies. What they are? See, in the west, which sea we can see? Arabian Sea in the west, then Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. These are the 3 water bodies. First one Arabian Sea, then Bay of Bengal, and Indian Ocean. So our country India is surrounded in the south portion में it is surrounded by 3 water bodies, and only one part is surrounded by land, and by 3 portions if it is surrounded by water we will call it as peninsula. So पेनिनसुला अ पीस ऑफ लैंड दैट इज सराउंडेड बाय वाटर ऑन थ्री साइड से हम वाटर से सराउंड हुए हैं, दैट्स वाई वी कॉल इट इज ए पेनिनसुला एंड हैंस दस द सदर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया इज ए पेनिनसुला. इट इज क्लियर. हैंस इंडिया इज कॉल्ड ए पेनिनसुलर कंट्री. दैट्स वाई आवर कंट्री इंडिया इज कॉल्ड एज peninsular country. Now children, move to the next topic, neighboring countries of India. So our country shares its border with so many countries who are neighbors. Neighboring means those who are near to us, है ना, neighboring. So India shares its borders with several countries. Several means many. India shares its border with so many countries which include, उसमें क्या क्या है, include means ये भी है, उसमें क्या क्या countries है, पाकिस्तान, अफगानिस्तान, नेपाल, भूटान, चाइना, बांग्लादेश and Myanmar. Children, observe the spelling of each and every country carefully, okay? Sri Lanka and Maldives are our across the sea neighbors. Sri Lanka and Maldives, these two countries are our sea neighbors. So now let us see this clearly in the map, in which direction we are getting which country, okay? See here. Now this is China, which is sharing its border with our country. Then here you can see Nepal and Bhutan. All these three lies in northern position. Which position? In which direction? Northern direction. Now if you come to here it is Pakistan and it is Afghanistan. So Pakistan and Afghanistan are located in northwest. In which direction? Northwest. Now in east we have Bangladesh and Myanmar. See, both these countries are located in east direction. Now when it comes to south is always here at the down, and here we can see Sri Lanka and Maldives. These two are our across the sea neighbors. sea की तरफ जो अपनी border share करते हैं वो ये दोनों countries है, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Okay children.